Hi guys, dito naman kami ngayon sa, just to be exact, the place here is the Leaflets Barbary Village. So galing na kami kanina sa Wicom. So, dito naman kami ngayon. Maganda dun ha. So doon kami nag-park. Banda. So, dito kami papunta.
Singa drive, singa Pilipinas. Oo.
That's the place. Barbary. That might be the farm that they're talking about, that we're going to go fishing.
Ay pa, yung tubig ko nasaan na eh? Pa, yung tubig ko naiwan mo?
Pinafar pala yung ground. Kasi mano tinilak pa de so natuloy ko ang ground. Ano yung farm nila?
Maganda.
Diyan ito.
Ikot mo na tayo, hindi mo yung kamakapde. Doon ba lang?
doon.
Tignan natin sa shop.
Saan yung Arlington?
We go here.
Doon yung Arlington Row Cottages.
May 10. Hindi, ito.
Brown pen. Blueberry cotton bag. Cotton bag.
Small lang. Magkano?
Sabi pouch.
7.25. Isa. Sabi ba tayo ng fridge magnet?
Wala, hindi parang.
There's the trout, which is the famous one, the famous fish here, or the known fish on this place.
Oh, this is cute.
Okay guys, this is the trout fish. Is it the trout one? Yeah.
Antay na lang to.
Kami bayaran po.
Drinks, antay na. Ang alam mo sa masakya. Wala may kami. Ang alam mo sa kanan.
Diyan.
Napula.
Wala. Yan, yan. Tiga ramada. Ang pagtira. Yan.
Aliwa. Ang may wala rin namin guys.
Liman, liman.
Where? It's not there. Oh, so you got 2 bags. Yes, please. Thank you.
Sa'yo na isang pan.
Yes, please.
bahay, di ba?
Ay, dapat 3:30.
Ito lang sa.
Anong oras na ba?
What time na?
Punta pa tayo sa Arlington Road.
Alauna nila ba? Dos nila ba?
Punta na lang.
There we
Ay,
go.
guys, manirit ka na. Ha? Manirit ka na. Pigaratan? Ay. Ano ba lang po eh?
Is the gate open there, do you know, at the back? So if you're going through the shop?
Mas malaki yung paa. Hindi naman siya masakit, pero
Ang ano?
Okay guys, we're going to Arlington.
ito ang national.
That one, Arlington Road. So, this way.
Wala ba yung to? Agak mo nila kasiri?
Sinama kay Bay mo. Ha? Ang matibay.
Isa sa 7 pa lang. Oh, dapat kwenta to. Ang hindi wala na yun.
Akan ako.
Oo. Pag minamin wala na. Pag nagpupunta ako sa high school, nagpapawag ako. Ano ba rin yun?
Kita tinatawanan.
Kita tayo po.
Ngayon kasi ano.
Malapit lang din dito. Hindi nga dito. Artista.
You stand here and then I'm going to take your picture.
Parang modern house na nga.
Can I just go on? Contestant number 2.
Contestant number 3. Pwede pala mag-parking dito. No ne, to ta jedna, pak ty dvě, to bylo poprvé, ta jedna přibírala.
So we go there.
Mahalo.
Picture first.
Ito tak sa fish.
Hi guys, dito kami sa fishing area. So, mag-i-inquiry kami kung magkano ang bayad. Oh, yan oh, laking ano, oh.
Ako yan.
Koi.
Pero may trout siya. Yan, may trout siya. May namatay na isa doon. Sabi ni Rere, natutulog daw. Ayun na.
Sleeping. There is one sleeping. He's not. He's sleeping.
It's dead.
He's sleeping.
Fish don't sleep like that.
Fish
Oh,
sleep.
not
Atas
escape.
ka ba'y kungkungay ka? Kanan, atas iralo ko atin
Oi,
dilaw.
let's go
Ah,
fish.
trout yan.
Hindi na yan trout yung dilaw.
Ay, ano atan, apoytan, matabang ta. Ay, sa trout to. Right one.
Mapicture ko kat kung pa, mura ka na alam.
drop here.
What a nice place. Brown trout. What is that? It's loud.
Alalaki. Alam mo,
Sa piraso lang.
yeah. Kumakain kayo ng trout? Oh, yan. Kumakain kayo.
Pagkamalakot po dyan yung tama.
Bumili. Kami yung murang salmon ito.
Oo, ito. Matakang. Wala sinasabi mo. Tara, doon tayo. Let's go.
Ay, pati dyan yung magpa-picture. Ano, the history of pa-picture. Isama mo Japanese? Akala na.
Hi guys, ayan, magpipishing yung pamangkin ko. So nagrenta kami ng mga equipments yan, katulad yan, yung ginagamit ng mga tao. Yan ang ganito. So, ayan, magpipishing daw. Ayun, nakakita na sila ng, di pa, spot.
Oh, dyan sa dulo. it's easy.
Hindi.
There is no fish.
Ano?
Doon ang may fish. Walang fish naman.
Di ba,
Papati.
may nakita ko kanina.
Walang fish dyan. Didn't expect. Didn't expect savers. Oh, no, you go the other side. No fish there.
Wala nang nakukuha yung mga nandun eh.
Ayan. Change location. Change location. Oh.
Yan, ang dami talaga. Oh, there. We go there. Oo. Eh, ayun niya dyan. Walang sarili.
Oh.
Mahirap. Tingnan ka lang. Madami.
No. Maganda siya. This is too big.
Di malabasa. I-try mo lang ito. Okay?
Wala. Hindi na.
Oh, yeah. There. Agad.
Ang dami nga nila. Hindi mo makita sa hagdan. Harap pa kanila rin ito.
Yun pa.
Come on. This is it.
You see it?
Can we fix it? No fix. Oh, it's fine.
It was only to be arrested.
No.
Patience. Oh, come on. You're on the right track. What? Yeah.
Oh no.
Hi guys, change location again.
Ang hirap din makakuha dito eh.
Mahirap. Yan na nga.
Hindi kung ayaw ka inumin.
Ha? Kung ayaw kumain.
Not that one.
No, don't pull it.
Don't pull it.
Don't pull. You have to touch with the net.
The net first.
That's big.
Come out.
Bit it, and then he got. Okay, these are the small ones. Those are the dumb ones.
No, you have to pull the net should go.
You need to catch it. You need to catch it.
See, I told you.
Naasangan ira.
Kahit marami, wala kang makukuha kasi pandit sila.
Marunong na.
Marunong sila, naturuan na. Umiwas.
The healthy one, yeah. That one there. Underneath. Oh, yeah. Don't pull it. Don't pull it. It's a minute.
It's suffering. It's I'm suffering. Oh, no, back to Wait. No, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. It's
What?
a tunnel.
Head down. Head down. The net. Put the net.
Put the net
Cover mo the net. Cover the net.
Yeah.
Right.
Wait. Yeah.
Oh, take it. Someone take the bait. Someone take the bait.
Ayaw ba?
Take the bait. Take the bait.
Bakit hindi ba makakain yan?
Take the bait. Oh, ito.
Oh, that's it.
Ha?
What's that?
I want the healthy one.
Ano ba ito? Tawatan na nila eh.
Oh, ikaw away.
Nakawala.
Nakawala.
Tom, do you want me to do better?
Do you want to try? One more for you. Si Merrick.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you go.
No, no, it's alright.
Isa pa, isa pa lang. No, last. So we catch two fish now. We need one more. Oh. Hurry. Pull. Ah. Too sugar. Yeah. Yeah, stop. Yeah, it's okay. Yan, pangatlong
Hindi man wala sila nag-gat ko lang.
3. Pangatlong fish na to. Laki ah. Well done.
Hirap manghuli.
Ang hirap. Okay guys. Ang galing. Lovely.
Hirap maghuli.
Ang hirap. Yung mga fish.
1 minute kada isang isda.
1 minute. So we done, yeah?
Yeah, we're done.
Yeah. So we done now. We're going. So
No, it doesn't get cold enough. So there will be fish after.
hello, ang bilis niya maglakad. So you go. Well done. Well done, Labby Dudes and Ren Ren. Well done. Oh, did you catch fish? Ah, nakakain na. I know.
Mahal din yung trout sa akin.
Okay. Not bad.
I'll do it. Yeah.
Kaya Ramon, palinis mo?
There you go, it's 36, 31.
36, 31. Wow. 36. No. I'll do it.
Malagay yung ice.
Nice.
Is it the ice?
Ice, if you guys... I'm glad you're going to have to share that thing with them. Okay, so if you put the white bucket in between you two. White bucket, yeah. Put it in between you two, that's where one goes. Okay? I'll do home anyway, that's fine. Do hot here. I'll do home, that's fine. I'll look here. Hold it.
Hi guys, yun yung nahuli namin. Alisan na ni Marcelo ng asang.
Okay, how come you remove the thingy if you want to have a knife? Just ridiculous.
Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Guys, ayan, pauwi na kami. Balik na kami sa car park. So, tapos ng aming pamamasyal dito sa Arlington. Actually, itong Cotswold, 5 taon daw to na magaganda dito sa England. Kaso 2 lang to napuntahan namin dahil hindi kinaya ng oras. Magaganda naman yung town nila. Pwede yung mga design ng bahay makaluma, yung mga old houses nila dito. So ayan, kung kami nag-park, balik na kami. Yan, yan kami gaali. Ay, dito kami nagbayad kanina. Ah, naantay pala nila kami. Hindi nagkaintindihan.